In the following video, you'll be introduced to library resources available to you in your biology course. We're currently looking at the college's website, hgtc.edu. To access the library, go to Quick Links and scroll down and select the library. When you're on the library's website, you would have access to everything we have available to all students in all courses. However, in this video, we're going to be looking at something called a LibGuide. A LibGuide is a specially designed site created by an HGTC librarian for accessing the best library resources for a specific class. If you click on the LibGuides tab, in the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Bio 112. You navigate your way around the guide using the various tabs that you see in the center of the page. The Home tab comes up first, and it's basically just a welcome page with general information about the library. You can use the Books tab to search for books available in our library, or to get a listing of some of the available anatomy and physiology books within our library. On the eBooks tab, you can find the library's various ebook providers. The two boxes on the left will lead you to ebook collections that provide you with entries out of reference books, meaning you don't have to read an entire book, you can just read the entry about a topic that you searched for from a book. Whereas the two boxes on the right are ebook collections that provide you with access to full-text ebooks, cover to cover. If you're having trouble understanding a concept in the class, you may want to search for it in one of these two boxes on the left to read a little bit more about it out of an ebook. Again, in these instances, you don't have to read the entire ebook, just the entry about your topic out of a specific book. And they even provide you with the word count so you have an idea of how long the entry is going to be to read. When most students think of using the library's databases, they think of accessing articles. Almost all of our nearly 100 databases provide you with access to journal, magazine, or newspaper articles. However, in this video, you're going to be introduced to a database that has 3D anatomy models. The name of that database is 3D Human Anatomy and Physiology. The way this database is designed, it's broken down into categories by systems of the body and various other body parts. All you have to do is select the item that's of interest to you, and in a new window, that item will open up. The topic section is like a table of contents, so if you see something specific that you want to take a look at, you can click on it. In the center of the screen is the 3D model. You can click on anything that you see and it will tell you what you're looking at and even highlight it in green. Here you can add or remove layers. The lower the number, the less layers there will be. As you get higher, the more layers will be added. You can turn your model to the left or to the right, and you can zoom in and zoom out. On the right-hand side, you'll find text to help you learn a little bit more about the model that you're looking at. And then over here on the left-hand side, you may also be interested in looking at the quizzes section to test your knowledge, or the interactive learning, where you can find a variety of different things, sometimes including these items, which are printable pages where you can test your knowledge with fill in the blanks. A little bit further down on the Databases tab, you're going to find a few of the library's other databases, and these are the ones that you would think of traditionally with accessing articles. Two that may be of interest to you are CINAHL Complete and AAFP conditions A to Z. This one's great for getting journal articles, and this one's great for getting information about medical conditions. On the Multimedia tab, you'll find Films on Demand and Canopy, which are the library's 2 streaming video services. Each of them have a good collection of anatomy and physiology related videos, some of which are linked at the bottom of this tab. There's a Lab Resources tab that has some PDF files that could be of interest to you. And finally, if you need any assistance from the library, the Get Help tab has a listing of all the different ways that you can contact us, be it either in person during open hours, or via email to any one of the 4 librarians, our chat service that we monitor during these hours that you see listed here, calling, or texting. Whenever you need assistance, please reach out and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.